Hello! I'm here again with another unboxing. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mary Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you what I got for myself for my birthday. I'm going to tell you when my birthday is, but I have been eyeing this for quite some time. Like, before I even knew this existed, I was thinking about it and I was wishing for this because I'm going to show you what I have. I bought one from the same manufacturer and I have been using it for quite some time, and it really helps with the pain on my wrist. So without further ado, I'm gonna tell you that this is a keyboard. And since I'm a programmer, I use my keyboard a lot, and I tell you, finding the best one that works for you is a game changer. Like, it's gonna help you improve your productivity, love the way you interact with your keyboard, and still save your wrists, you know? And without further ado, I'd like to tell you, if you're in the Philippines and you'd like to get some items in the US or abroad or anywhere, and you want to get it shipped very fast and reliably to your doorstep, please consider subscribing to Buy and Ship. Create an account, use my referral link down below. If you sign up using my link, we both get 50 credits, and those credits can be used for a shipping discount on your next purchase. So let's open this up. So this is the one that I got. I actually love all the Cherry MX keyboards, but the one that I love the most is the brown. So I'm gonna show you real quick what I have currently for keyboard. So pardon the grime. This is my current keyboard. This is still wired, so it's non-Bluetooth, but it can be broken in two. So the reason why I got this is because it saves my wrists from the pain. Like, when I started using this, my wrist pain's like way at the top, and now that I'm using this, it's really helping a lot. Like, I don't have pain in my wrist anymore. Although, of course, I do accompany it with some wrist exercises, but this one is really a lifesaver. And you can still prop it up at an angle so that when you type, it's slanted a little bit. So this is really a game changer in my life. And I love the keys. It's in Cherry MX Browns. So it's very soft and easy to press, just the way I like. And it's not as noisy as the reds or the blues. That's why I prefer the browns. So let's see. You can use it as wired, or you can use it as a Bluetooth device, so which is cool. And again, I got it in MX Brown. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna sing happy birthday to myself now, if you don't mind. Happy birthday to me. Yes, this is really nice. Oh, the keys are gorgeous, but they don't like yellow, but they're really nice. Nice caps. I must say, the caps also, even for this one, are very sturdy, and the print on the keys don't. Oh, but it's a lot bigger. Oh, I didn't realize that. So as you can see from inside the box, I'm just gonna put it here. From inside the box, we have this manual. Okay. So there are ways to configure this keyboard using different layouts. Like I think you can switch it to QWERTY and Comac and Dvorak layout. But I never really got the hang of Comac and Dvorak, so I just keep it to QWERTY. Yeah, then you can also change the mappings of the keys. This is also how the older one functions. So you can change the orders of key combinations if you want to make shortcuts, and this is how you can use it. So there are ways to it. So this one that I got has a LED mode, so it can shine when in the dark if you prefer that. I'm not sure I will, but yeah. So this also includes the wires, extra set of keys, and key puller, and I think these are just rubber stoppers at the bottom. So we will just use this a bit. So it's not as small as this one, so I think if I'm going to travel, I might still take this one because it's a lot smaller. I thought that it was going to be a little bit smaller, but I guess I was too excited to get it because it's Bluetooth. The reason why, yeah, so you can use the rubber foot here to prop it up like this, but it's not collapsible like this one. I kind of feel this one more than I like this, but of course the keys are still as awesome, but I feel like the keys are a lot smaller compared to this one. I'm not sure why. Even though it's a full keyboard, it's broken in half. It has backlighting, so yeah, but it's not as big as as most other keyboards. Maybe I'm just used to using the smaller versions which are compact. But yeah, if you're the kind of person who hates using alternate keys, like I use a lot of alternate keys here because there are no function keys in here. Yeah, and I don't have a lot of these keys, but I really don't have much use for this because I'm so used to using the alternate keys anyway. Yeah, but if you prefer a full keyboard, this one's for you. And you can actually pick different Cherry MX keys. You can use red, you can choose the blue ones if you want, so that's a plus. And it also has a backlighting, and the good thing here is if you prefer to use it wired, you can still do so. So you have to, the good thing also is that it's now all USB-C. That's nice. So you can connect the power between the two halves by using this wire, but they also connect via Bluetooth. So, and then the other cable can be plugged in here and then to a USB source. But for now, we're going to test the Bluetooth one. There are skips. I think this one is having some skips. Okay. And let's try the color palette. Pin escape. Oh, very nice. You can see the colors. Can you see? N plus F5. So that mode. Nice. Oh wow. I think I'm gonna have some fun with this at night. So yeah, so far this is very nice. Full keyboard and it's Bluetooth. So I'm just keeping this one hooked up in USB because I'm charging it. But even if I remove this, it's still gonna work. Some other time I will revisit this keyboard and give you another review after I've been using it for a month or so. but so far I'm liking it. I will be using it for my MacBook Pro and also on my iMac, just to compare how it's functioning, how it's performing for me. So that's it so far. I think the only thing that I don't like right now about this keyboard is that first off, it's a full keyboard, and the stand is not collapsible, so obviously this is not good for travel. So if you will be traveling, consider that it is also heavy. So the rubber footing is also going to be fixed, so it will be a problem moving it around, compared to this one that is a lot smaller, and it's a lot lighter compared to this full keyboard. I think because this one is heavier because it's more fully functioned, like it has all the RGB LED support, and it's a full-size keyboard, and it's just a lot bigger. That's why it's a lot heavier. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions about this keyboard, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll try to answer them as best as I could. But both of these keyboards are the same brand. They're both Mistel. This one is non-Bluetooth, this one is Bluetooth capable, and they are both split keyboards. I think split keyboards are the way to go if you have carpal tunnel problems, wrist problems, or it affects your overall physique while working. So consider getting a split keyboard for that. But for now, I like it, but I have my reservations, so it's probably gonna stay just at home for desktop use for my MacBook and my iMac. But yeah, for traveling, maybe I'll just still be picking up my old Mistel for that, and just extra connector to use it with my machine. So that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing also to my channel. I post my unboxings of the gadgets and the stuff that I buy. I post yoga videos, cycling videos, sports, and hobbies related that I do. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!